Good evening, India. Welcome back to BJ English News, where we bring you the latest headlines.
Opposition questions Nitish Kumar's Pragati Yatra goals. Leader of opposition Tejasvi Yadav has criticized Bihar CM Nitish Kumar's upcoming Pragati Yatra starting December 23. The tour aimed at reviewing developmental work and engaging citizens has drawn skepticism. Tejasvi accused the CM of renaming initiatives frequently reflecting policy inconsistency and mental unrest. He raised 10 pointed questions about unresolved public grievances, failed past initiatives like the prohibition law, and alleged corruption. According to him, public funds are being misused by symbolic exercises with no tangible outcomes. Tejasvi demanded accountability for prior promises, questioning whether this tour would bring any real change. His critic highlights growing public and political doubts about the effectiveness of these initiatives. Nitish starts Pragati Yatra amid opposition's critics. Bihar CM Nitish Kumar is launching the first phase of his Pragati Yatra on December 23, covering 5 districts by December 28. The initiative replaces the earlier announced Mahila Sanvad Yatra. Kumar plans to review progress on projects and connect with citizens, although opposition leaders call it superficial. Only departmental secretaries will participate directly while ministers join online without engaging in discussions. Critics argue the renaming of initiatives demonstrates confusion while Tejasvi Yadav questions their effectiveness. Nitish Kumar's new endeavor faces scrutiny from both political leaders and citizens. Whether the initiative can deliver meaningful development remains uncertain, leaving many questions. Bihar gears up for economic growth through investments. The Bihar government will hold the Bihar Business Connect 2024 summit on December 19-20 in Patna. Industry Minister Nitish Kumar aims to attract investments and create jobs by promoting brand Bihar among global investors. Key sectors have been prioritized and investor meetings were held nationwide. The government expects over 30,000 crore INR worth of investment proposals. Due to high interest, the event will offer virtual participation options at Gyan Bhavan. The initiative is seen as a transformative step for Bihar's economy, aiming to unlock its industrial potential and drive sustainable growth. Success could make Bihar a competitive hub for business and employment. Jharkhand demands 1.36 lakh crore royalty payments. The Hemant Soren-led Jharkhand government is demanding 1.36 lakh crore INR in pending coal royalties from the central government. JMM General Secretary Supriyo Bhattacharya warned that coal extraction in the state would cease until dues are cleared. The state accuses the center of withholding funds despite submitting evidence. BJP leaders from Jharkhand have been criticized for neglecting the state's interest. The center has denied the claims in parliament, but JMM maintains its stance, presenting supporting documents from the state's revenue department. The conflict highlights unresolved federal disputes. JMM challenges center over disputed coal royalty claims. The Jharkhand Mukti Morcha JMM has issued a warning to the center over unpaid coal royalties amounting to 1.36 lakh crore INR. JMM General Secretary Supriyo Bhattacharya announced no coal will leave Jharkhand unless the dues are cleared. The party criticized the BJP-led central government for ignoring environmental damages and displacement caused by mining. Despite a parliamentary denial of pending dues, the state presented official documents to validate its claim. The dispute reveals deepening federal tensions as the GMM takes a no compromise stance. Its